Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and this is part 2 of my King Cole little show and tell. So I'm just smiling because on my video I said I wasn't going to say so anymore on my blog, and I keep doing it, and so it just, when you say and so, it's different than just starting the sentence with so, which is annoying me no end. Anyway, I digressed. I'm not going to say it again. These yarns are a few of the more different varieties. I do have one enormous big bag that's as tall as I am, full of one type of yarn, and it's an inexpensive yarn called Price Wise, and there's lots and lots and lots of different colours. Not all the colours they do, so Lord only knows how big the bag would be, or bags if it was. But I just decided not to show you that because it's basically just coloured DK yarn, and it's inexpensive yarn for people who like to make big multiple projects. A lot of people who knit for charities and knit dog blankets and things like that, they kind of tend to buy a lot of that. Not just that, obviously, but it is a budget range one, and it's massive, the bag. So I've decided, as it's all just Price Wise, just to leave it in the bag. But I'm going to show you some of the different yarns that I got, and I've just realised that I've covered my neckline up with the yarn which is going to be fun because I now need to get it out, so bear with me a second. I didn't plan this too well, did I? So here it is, and I said so. Grr. Here it is. Managed to find it. Right, all's right with the world again now. Now I decided that I wanted to try and do a fair amount of Aran yarn, because as a consumer of yarn, I was kind of aware that whenever I tried to find really decent Arans in this country, there wasn't always the quantity or the type that I liked. So in this little batch, there's something of everything, like every weight that you can imagine. So the first one I want to show you is actually a super chunky, and it is the King Cole Quartz range, and it is really, really nice. I had one ball of quartz that they sent me as a sample because I'd not seen it before, and I really liked it, so I decided to get some. Now, as I said, it's a super chunky, so that is a 6. Sorry, my tongue's messing about with me. A 6. I do struggle sometimes with S's after my operation. Anyway, this is called Onyx, and it is 4469, the shade. And let's see if we can find some more info. 90% per premium acrylic and 10% wool. 92 yards, 85 meters. I don't normally lisp and stuff, but obviously got a bit tongue-tied there. So this is the quartz. Really, really lovely. It's actually so soft. So that was Onyx, and I decided to give this one a try because it's all kind of nice kind of colours. Shows you a little bit on the yarn band what it works up like. I'll get Onyx back. Let's see what that looks like, because I missed that part of the yarn band because it was just dark. That's what it kind of like, give you this little swatch of what it looks like once it's made. And this is Moonstone, 4467 Moonstone. But isn't that lovely? I love these colours, the orange and the yellows, but kind of a lavender. Maybe I've not got good colour on my light. Let's see. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's even better still. So there we are. Those are the colours. The Onyx was just greys. It's amazing what the light settings can do. Just dark and greys. I like this one. I like this one a lot. And it's not got too high a wool content, so I should find that it's okay for me to work with this. But I like that. It's got lavenders and all sorts of colours in there. So that's that one. And we have this one, which is the lovely blues. Really, really nice. It's so soft. Really is lovely and soft. Willowy soft. It's squishy. And this one is called Tanzanite. 4470 Tanzanite. I do like Tanzanite as a stone as well. And I've got a feeling this might be the one they sent me, although I don't know, the one they sent me seemed darker, but it probably was actually darker. Amethyst, this one. 4472 Amethyst. Seems like these are names of stones. That's why it's called quartz, I guess. So there we go. Those are the quartz. There are other colours in the range, which I'll add to as time goes by. Now, this one, I absolutely love this. Look at that. Isn't it just dreamy? This is Beaches, and it is so soft. It really is beautiful. It's a DK weight. It's quite a thin DK, I'd say. But look at those colours. Isn't that dreamy? It reminds me of that Robin paint box that I had, although the length of the self-striping is much, much bigger. That was very quick change. But these are similar colours to that. Just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favourites, and it is the squishiest of baby yarns. There's the swatch on the side, showing you how they work up. And what have we got? Always upside down. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't. These are 100 grams, 70% premium acrylic, 30% polyamide, 278 yards, 255 meters, and I'm looking for a name here. Beaches and Cream. Beaches and Cream. Isn't that beautiful? So I will get more of the beaches. The ones I wanted that at the time weren't in stock, but I chose that one and this one. All the lovely blues. This is just so soft, and being as though I love blue, this is beautiful. What's this one called? Palm Beach, named after beaches, obviously. 4281 Palm Beach, but there will be others that are coming my way for sure. So then that's a DK. So we've had a super chunky and a DK. Now we've got an Aran. This is Acorn Aran, and this one, they're kind of like a marble looking yarn. There's the swatch, the made up swatch, and this is Holly Berries 4955, and it's called Holly Berries, not Halle Berry. That's something completely different. You couldn't get squished up Halle Berry, that would be out of order. 80% premium acrylic and 20% wool, 216 yards, 198 meters in 100 gram. But isn't that lovely? I love the colours in that one, in the Holly Berry. Then we had this colour, which I also like. It's the, oh, look at that, isn't it lovely? Now this one is called Upside Down. Not called Upside Down at all. Nettle 4950 Nettle. It's all the kind of greens, and that's lovely. So that's Nettle. I love this one. This is my favourite so far, I think. All those rich kind of magentas and mauves and lilacs. Sorry, I've been fussing the cat and she always gives me an itchy nose. This one's called Juniper. 4954 Juniper. So that's Juniper. And if you can hear the noise, that's Gary watching TV, that noise you can hear. Sorry, this cat has really given me allergy today. I'm going to have to, she's sitting by my side, and I'm going to have to sort of try and stop her. This one is, again, all of the kind of greys, and, oh, I like this one though. That's lovely. So this one is called Rain Cloud, 4951. Rain Cloud. So the only thing that's missing from my little haul here is the price wise, but they're all just standard colours. Now this one is ultra soft chunky, and boy is it ultra soft, and I've got quite a lot of different colours. It's King Cole ultra soft chunky, And this is a navy blue one. Oh, is it called navy? Yes, it is. 4633 navy, 100-gram ball, 100% premium acrylic, and it does feel absolutely the squishiest. 158 yards or 145 meters. That is so soft. I'm going to put that down there rather than in the bag. And then we have white. We always have to have some white in our choices. 4625, and it is called white, not snowy or whatever. I've got a black one. Lovely dark black. I know that sounds silly, but some blacks are borderline charcoal. But this is 4636 in black, and it does feel absolutely lovely. It's going to be nice to work with. Really beautiful, beautiful soft yarn. And we've got a lovely red. I've got a unruly bit of stranding coming out there, but at least you can see the thickness of the strand. Just tuck it in. So we've got Poppy, 4634 in the colour of Poppy Red. And then we got some mustard. That's really a lovely colour, mustard. Look at that. Sometimes I hate mustard and other times I really like it, but this is a nice one. 4635, and it is called mustard, and it is the colour of mustard. I'm going to fall down. Teal. This is just gorgeous stuff. Really would work up lovely. Okay, so all the dimensions are the same, and it is called teal. Number 4628 in teal. Absolutely lovely. And then we got baby pink, and it is soft enough to use for babies. It's premium acrylic. Really, really lovely. And this is called Bonbon. 4630 Bonbon. Bonbon. And lastly, the blue. My favourite colour in all the world, blue. And this one is called Forget Me Not. 4627 Forget Me Not. So that's the ones I have to show you. I didn't say I've got others in the bags, but I didn't feel like it was worth disrupting the whole humongous bag to get one out of each, of just the price wise, which are just DK and solid colours, but they are kind of going to be online, and I'll show you. So that's the yarn that I've got for Hobby Rocks from King Cole so far. So altogether, if I did show you the other one, it would be like 3 massive kind of hauls. But I've also got some new ones coming, and some new suppliers that I've got on board now that I'm really excited about, and that happened kind of overnight really, and so I've got my work cut out for me. I had a good Zoom meeting with my web designer today as well. We've got quite a long way in, so things have gone from just uploading products to actually styling them and getting them the whole site in a style, so that's cool. And so it won't be long, hopefully. So what do you think? Tell me what ones were your favourites. Now, I know it's just solid colours, but this is really lovely. I've yet to find a really beautiful chunky that I've really loved working with, and I've got a feeling that this one, this ultra soft, is going to be one of my favourite chunkies, because it's so nice. And I do love the beaches. I did anyway when I got the sample, when they sent that through to me. It was, I had to have that. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, everyone.